Okay, welcome back. Still thinking about forces on these blocks on my seltzer can. We're looking at the top block. We have a gravitational force acting on the top block, pulling it down. Are there any other forces acting on the top block? If there weren't, the top block would accelerate down. That's F equals ma. So if there's a net force acting on an object, it's going to accelerate. So imagine if all we had was the gravitational force acting on that top block, it would indeed accelerate down. So in fact, you can see now what prevents it from accelerating downwards is the fact that it's resting on that middle block. So the middle block is pushing up on the top block. Gravity is pulling down on the top block, the middle block is pushing up. There are two forces acting on this top block. We'll say the first one is the force of gravity. The second one we will call the normal force, and we'll say it's acting upwards. Okay. Let's look again at that contact force, which I just called the normal force. There's a normal force of the middle block pushing up on the top block. There's also a normal force of the top block pushing down on the middle block. Those are two sides of the same interaction. Because they're two sides of the same interaction, they would have the same amount or same magnitude. Let's now look at the forces acting on the middle block. Okay, I can count three forces. Number one, the force of gravity acting on the middle block due to the Earth. We will ignore the force of gravity acting on the middle block due to the top block. That's insignificant compared to the force of gravity acting on the middle block due to the Earth. Thank goodness. So three forces. Number one, force of gravity acting down. Three forces. Number two, the force of the top block pushing down on the middle block. That's a normal force. And force number three, the force of the seltzer can pushing up on the middle block. That's number three. Those three forces all have to add up to zero because the net force acting on this middle block must be zero because it's not accelerating. F equals ma. If a is zero, F is zero.